Okay, we have three layers of apprenticeship programs. One, we call it the graduate engineer training program. We are not hiring MBAs per se, but some MBAs are put into the same GT program for sales and marketing. Few. Because in our case, the product is a bit technical. So it is sold like even in the case of auto, mostly the technicals only sell this. The engineers sell the trucks and all, like in Ashok Leyland. I know all engineers used to sell. I'm sure in Bajaj Auto also many. So one is that layer, we call it graduate engineer training. They are taken under the Apprenticeship Act only. The second one is the diploma engineer trainees. The third layer is we call it technician apprentices, who are basically ITI or lower level of diploma. When I call it lower level of diploma, their marks are not good. They are not good in English communication. They will probably speak good, but we hire them basically for their passion, agility, and also cultural fit. My target, in fact, in the interviews, if somebody says I am the son of a farmer, most likely, unless I detect that he does not know farming, he gets selected unless I find something else. Because farming, then I'll ask him, okay, tell me, how do you sow paddy? If he's able to answer that question and everything else is fine, of course, there are others, we hire him. So this is how you get the attitudes. So these graduate engineer trainees, I am not pitching at in Ashok Leyland, we pitch at the IITs and NIT level. In ACC, we came down to NIT and lower level. In my current company, I do not think they will fit into my culture. So we do not go to NITs at all. We go to even the next lower level, and we have figured out which are the colleges, which are the catchment areas, and you keep on tinkering with this. I think Mukul brought up this point of this diversity. In ACC as well as in Ashok Leyland, we used to hire people from Tamil Nadu and we'll send them to Delhi to learn so that they get used to. It was very difficult. They used to go. They used to learn Hindi also. But in current company, I'm not able to do it because of the salary package and other things. So we are basically largely focusing on certain local places, but we also have some central hiring, like we'll hire people from, let's say, Bhubaneswar, or from sometimes even from Bihar, some places where they are ready to move all over India. So we hire from there also. There is a diversity, but there is a local factor as well. You keep on, when you are hiring these guys, this rigidity is one which should never be there. You will have to figure out, ultimately, I want to retain them. So all three streams are inducted in batches. They are inducted properly. We induct them for about 15 days in Bombay. Mind you, we bring them to Bombay, all of them. So that the company is all about. Then for 1 year, I have got 2 HR ladies who are monitoring the whole scheme for whole 1 year. Because unless you hold hands, they'll not stay. Some of them will have some problem here and there. Some manager will not be properly. I get such cases almost every week or whatever. So we get into it. Sometimes we find the trainee himself is that this thing we need to be coach him, mentor him. So the bigger challenge is not only in recruiting first in a cultural fit. The second biggest challenge is that you must try and retain them at least 1 year. Once they are retained for 1 year, you will find those who are still there, some will leave. Firstly, we should be prepared for this attrition. It will happen because you are getting a guy who's fresh, he has got his own way of thinking and other things, some will go away. Even if I retain 70%, that's my current rate, approximately 70% after 1 year, we give them some retention bonus and other thing. Even then, my costs are much lower, my talent is managed much better. The biggest advantage is these guys have not seen any other corporate culture. They only know my culture. So they get used to this culture. If I hire 10 people from 10 different companies, they will have 10 things to say. Oh, in Bajaj Auto, they do it like this. In Lenskart.com, they do like this. Why don't we do like this? So he wants to adopt me that. I can't adopt his culture. This is my own culture. So these guys have seen only this culture. They grow up, as I said, 20% only I am hiring from outside. All promotions are bottom up. They are moving up. The graduate engineer trainees have become business heads in ACC. ACC I have left now, but the scheme is going on. A large number, in those days they used to say, oh, this will be run by GTs and DTs. Yeah, they are running it. They are there everywhere. Some are gone. Ashok Leyland.
Sure.
You find large.
So I think
point is made. I think this is I think I have probably exceeded my brief. This is how we do it.